Okay guys, I've already got my resin in here. I've already got my white mixed up. I had to let my vacuum chamber run for a minute because I have something in it. I do the same in every video. My resin was 90.1 when I took the thermometer out. Hurried and got this out for my white. 21.3 grams. Mixed in 2 drops of Eder Art pigment. Get it in the piping bag. Plus I had to run out and grab my tripod thing that my phone sits on because I had it out in my garage. You know, I've been turning pins and it is so much fun. Oh my gosh. I can't even begin to tell you how much fun it is. This is Apricot by Let's Resin. I'm sorry, raspberry. I was looking at apricot when I said that. I think I want to do red and yellow. Okay. I knew I had some scissors in the garage, so. All right, we'll cut the end off. Whoopsie. Oh yeah, these scissors. It kind of bends that over on the end. Not the best scissors. You know, and I saw some scissors yesterday and I didn't grab them at the store. I don't know what I was thinking. Okay. No, I'm not gonna mix this up. I'm just going for it. Let's see. We're gonna do a middle. Now we're gonna do this. Oh goodness, okay now. Oopsie. There we go. Took me a second to get my brain wrapped around what I was wanting to do. Now we're gonna use our toothpick. Ooh, not do that. Okay. Where I crossed them, we're just gonna go downward. I could put dots. I think I will if I can hurry. Oopsie. Sorry, get some dots in here. That one could only have one. And I can see right here where this separated. That's where I dropped that toothpick in it. Okay. All right, guys, we'll see what that does. I should have swirled the colors a little bit, most definitely. But we'll torch this off. Blow this off before you torch it, though. Because that is alcohol ink. And then cover it up. Because you don't want nothing landing in there. All right, I'll see you in a little while. Bye, guys. Okay, guys, this is where I do the second layer. You don't even see this on the other side, but I definitely didn't want that first layer to be see-through at all, so I just added another bloom on the back side because I wanted to keep the back clear. You know, I didn't want to add a color. But I really like how it turned out. I think it's very pretty, and let's hop to that so I can show you guys. Okay, guys, let's take a peek at this. All right, are we ready? Oh, I still like how that looks, though. Very pretty. I love that. I think it turned out great. Sweet. Well, I hope you guys like that. I think it's very beautiful. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day. I hope you go and be creative. You know, whether you're making blooms or turning pens or carving gnomes, whatever you like to do, you know, do what you enjoy. That's definitely what I do. So have a great day, guys, and I will see you later. Bye.